Everyone, I am Christine Juliana Piazza, your Miss Grand International 2024. To all the candidates of Mr. VMA 2025, this is my final question. What makes you proud of your school? Good luck!
Aside from discipline that shapes who we are today, I believe that VMA is more than just a school. It is about opportunity. And I am proud to wear its name because VMA teaches us not just how to succeed in life, but how to inspire others. And being part of that journey and seeing VMA make a real difference in people's lives is what makes me truly proud of. Thank you, everyone.